Hello and welcome to ACCU. My name is James Phifer, and if you have found us, you're probably looking for community association management, and if that is the case, then you've certainly come to the right place. With over 40 years in business, we bring a Colorado-based grassroots effort to the management of your community association. In today's environment, with the large consolidation of management companies, I bet you're looking for a community association management company that is based in Colorado that isn't for sale. ACCU has been and will continue to be committed to a family-owned and operated business moving well into the future. And if that is what you're looking for, you can come inside and take a look at how we do things by visiting www.accuinc.com, or if you'd like, feel free to give me a call at any time. My direct line, 303-339-9691, and I'd be happy to talk to you and your board about the management of your community association.